What if your car could feel smarter, safer, and way more futuristic overnight? These Amazon gadgets aren't just upgrades, they completely change how you drive. Some solve problems you didn't even realize you had, and one of them could actually save you in an emergency. Welcome back to Quincy Gadgets, your go-to spot for the coolest Amazon finds, smart tech, and everyday inventions that just make life easier. Today, we're diving into 15 must-have car gadgets that are seriously next level. Ever fumbled around your car looking for your handicap placard when you needed it fast? That delay can be frustrating or even embarrassing. This holder fixes it instantly. Just hang it on your visor or mirror. It keeps your placard protected, visible, and ready in seconds. And here's the smart part: it won't bend, fade, or fall apart even in extreme heat. Ever opened your car door in summer and felt like stepping into an oven? That heat isn't just uncomfortable, it damages your interior. This umbrella-style sunshade fixes that in seconds. Just pop it open across your windshield. It blocks almost all heat and UV instantly. And here's the cool part: it folds down like a compact umbrella, so you can store it anywhere without hassle. Ever had your laptop or gadgets die right in the middle of a road trip? That's a nightmare, especially when you need power fast. This compact inverter turns your car into a mobile outlet. Just plug it into your cigarette lighter. Now you've got AC power and USB charging on the go. And here's the kicker: it protects your devices with 11 safety layers while staying cool and quiet. Alright, quick question: which of these would you actually use in your car right now? Drop your pick in the comments, I'm curious. And if you're into smart upgrades like these, hit subscribe because it only gets crazier from here. Ever struggled to turn your steering wheel quickly with one hand? Tight parkovka or sharp turns can be exhausting. This spinner knob makes it effortless. Just attach it to your wheel and spin smoothly with one hand. It reduces strain on your wrist and shoulders instantly. And here's the surprising part: it gives you way more control, especially during tricky maneuvers. Ever noticed weird smells building up inside your car over time? That stale air can ruin every drive. This smart robot diffuser fixes it instantly. It releases a fine mist of fragrance as you drive. The scent spreads naturally with airflow. And here's the cool part: it activates with vibration and lets you adjust intensity for the perfect vibe every time. Ever driven on a steep road and had no idea how tilted your car really is? That's risky, especially off-road. This smart GPS HUD shows your speed, slope, and angle in real time. Just place it on your dashboard and go. It even warns you if things get dangerous. And here's the catch: it tracks altitude and trips too, like a mini mission control. Ever worried your car could disappear without a trace? That fear is real, especially in crowded places. This mini GPS tracker keeps eyes on your vehicle 24/7. Just stick it anywhere with its strong magnet. Track location, speed, and routes right from your phone. And here's the scary smart part: it can even record sound when something unusual happens nearby. Ever felt your car interior looks boring at night? It just lacks that wow factor. This LED crystal shift knob changes everything instantly. Just replace your old knob and watch it glow when you touch it. It lights up with shifting colors automatically. And here's the cool twist: you can even customize it to match your personal style or logo. Ever had ash or trash flying around your car while driving? That gets messy and smells even worse. This smart car ashtray fixes both instantly. Just drop it into your cup holder and close the lid. It seals odors and keeps everything contained. And here's the clever part: it lights up with blue LED at night and even has a built-in rechargeable lighter. Okay, be honest, which one caught you off guard the most so far? The tracker or that glowing shift knob? Drop your answer below. I read every comment. And if you love discovering hidden car gadgets like these, hit subscribe because we're not done yet. Ever had to stop your car in a dangerous spot with no way to warn others? That's how accidents happen. This powerful strobe light bar makes sure you're seen instantly. Just place it on your roof and activate it. It flashes in multiple warning patterns day or night. And here's the powerful part, it stays locked in place even at high speeds with super strong magnets. Ever been stuck with a flat tire and a weak jack that feels unsafe? That's a situation you don't want to risk. This heavy-duty floor jack lifts your car smoothly in seconds. Just position it and pump. It handles serious weight with ease. And here's the reassuring part, built-in overload protection keeps you safe when things get heavy. Ever felt your car interior looks too plain and forgettable? It's missing that eye-catching detail. These Bling vent trims fix that in seconds. Just snap them onto your air vents, no tools needed. They instantly add sparkle and personality. And here's the fun part, they shine differently under light, making your car stand out every time you drive. Now we're getting serious, safety or style. Which one matters more to you? Drop your choice below. And if you want more gadgets that actually make driving better, don't forget to subscribe because the last few might surprise you. Ever had a dirty car and a low tire at the worst possible moment? That's two problems you don't want together. This 2-in-1 device handles both instantly. It vacuums dust and inflates tires in minutes. Just switch modes and go. And here's the crazy part, it inflates super fast and auto stops at the perfect pressure. Ever had your phone slide off the dashboard during a sudden brake? That's dangerous and super distracting. This anti-slip mat keeps everything locked in place. Just place it on your dash and set your phone. It holds tight, even on sharp turns. And here's the clever part, it doubles as a holder for keys, coins, and even shows your number when parked. Ever had your phone fall off the mount right when you needed GPS most? That split second can be dangerous. This magnetic mount locks your phone instantly. Just snap it on and drive. It holds strong even on bumpy roads. And here's the impressive part, you can adjust it 360 degrees with one hand in seconds. So there you have it, 15 car gadgets that can completely change the way you drive, making it safer, easier, and a lot more fun. From smart safety tools to stylish upgrades, each one solves a real problem you face every day. Now I'm curious, which gadget would you actually use first? Drop your answer in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe to Quincy Gadgets because we've got even more mind-blowing tech coming your way.
We're a team passionate about discovering the smartest and most useful car gadgets. Our mission is simple: help you drive safer, smarter, and better every day.